Alrighty, good morning everyone. I believe I have finally fixed this situation with the microphone on front. We are going to be heading straight north. So, yeah, we're leaving Arizona today and getting into Nevada, actually. I got Opie down here being my TomTom navigator here. Gonna go have some fun, take a little break from the desert and have a lot of fun. Thanks for joining me, guys. I will be uploading this video with some Nomad Internet, link below in the video description. Thanks for joining me, Opie. Here we go. Alright, and we have been traveling north on 95, just left Bullhead City, Arizona, and I believe things are about to change on the other side of this river up here. I think that over there, that bank over there is Nevada. I think so. Ooh, it's really pretty down there. So this sign off to our right says Vegas. We're in the other lane, casino. This is the very first casino when you get into Nevada. And I want to pull in here real quick. Gonna hit one more red light here, but look at that sign right underneath that other red light. Welcome to Nevada, right there. Well, actually, we're in Nevada right now. Oh, the weather is just majestic here. I'm so happy. I've been to Vegas when it's 110 degrees, so so back in the old day, I guess they had to gamble out on the water. So they had river boats. And this is actually a hotel, but it's a hotel in the shape of one of the old school looking river boats where you'd get on and then go do all your illegal activities out on the Colorado River, where I guess the city and state couldn't intervene. It is a pretty stinking cool looking quirky hotel, I will give you that. We're gonna have some fun today. Before we get into Vegas though, the RV will be fine right there. We're gonna go into a little residential neighborhood here. Now, being aware that this area, we're just outside of Vegas right now, like maybe 10 miles away. Being aware that this place gets really hot in the summer. I'm talking upwards of 115 several days in a row, possibly in the summer. It's interesting to me how all the houses have that stucco southern look, you know. However, one house up here, I am a big Simpsons fan. I'm actually a lifelong Simpsons fan. I love that show. I have Simpsons tattoos. I used to collect Simpsons memorabilia. Now I do Mickey and Camel stuff. You might think that we are on Evergreen Terrace right now. Okay, and you might have to use your imagination a little bit, but we're gonna talk about this house right here behind me. 712. Guys, you Simpsons fans may recognize that this house is built exactly like the house on the cartoon show The Simpsons where Homer Simpson lives. Okay, let's use a little bit of imagination. I'm gonna cut the camera up here. We're gonna pop the real animated Simpsons house up top here, and I want to look at a few things. You can see the 4 windows on top up here match. You've got the 2 areas around the door. Even the door is curved. There's no other house that has a curved door. You got the garage. You got the window above the garage. You got the chimney on the same exact side right there. And you've even got here, we're gonna walk over here and take a closer look here. The sidewalk that comes from the door even goes around the same exact way. And then Homer crashed through the garage right there. With a little bit of paint, this house right here literally is built exactly like the Simpsons house. You know what though? I don't think the HOA here would allow them to paint it Simpsons colors. I think you have to conform and look like every other house. I'm surprised they let them build the door curved like that and be different in an HOA neighborhood. That's pretty cool. Opie dude, is that your spot, man? Is that a pretty comfy spot? Man, you're getting big, dude. Holy cow. Can we shrink you? Can we shrink you back to a cute kitten? No, you're still cute. You're still cute. Where's Tara? Tara's back behind the couch hiding until we really get parked. She doesn't trust these little stops. She knows I'm just out filming for 10 minutes, so she may like creep. There she is. There's my girl. We gotta drive a little farther. Sorry. I guess the Las Vegas International Airport must be nearby. All right, last stop, and then I need to figure out where the heck I'm gonna park in Vegas. I lost my free spot, that parking lot where you used to be able to overnight park. Yeah, they actually built another casino in that spot, so I don't have a free place to park right now. Oh, we're gonna check out the Ethel M. Chocolate store, and I guess there's a cactus garden out front the store, so we're gonna go walk through and name that cactus. Actually, this is kind of cool. It does say no pets allowed on this little trail. And you look closely, I see Christmas lights on all the little cactuses. And actually, if we get up close, the lights are still on. Guys, Christmas was over a month ago. Huh. Well, this will be good for me because maybe I can start to actually really know what the names of these are. I know that these are saguaro cactus. Oh, and that 2 videos ago, I made a big mistake when I said something about 10 years for every arm. Yeah, I was way off. It's more like, I'm still gonna get it wrong. It's more like it takes 50 years to get this, and then something like 40 years for every additional. I was way off when I tried to quote that. They do have all of their Christmas decorations up still. Okay. I'm bummed that they didn't actually put the names of any of these. That's too bad. All right, let's go check out this chocolate factory. Forgot my mask. Just gonna wear it all the time now. It's never going away. All right, Ethel M., we're gonna give this another shot. We'll get some chocolate. All right, I got my chocolate. I don't know how I'm supposed to eat it if I have to wear the mask. Sneak it in. Gosh. Oh my god, that's good. All right, well, this is the chocolate factory. They're just not making any chocolate today right now. Over here, you got the cream beater. Some steam kettles over there. Mixers. It's where they cool the chocolate. Lots of cooling tables. And then some vacuum mixers and stuff over there. And we got over here, ooh, melting tanks. Boy, this room is massive. Look at those tanks. All right, well, we got a worker in there. He's not making chocolate, though. It looks like he's just inspecting some machines and stuff. Oh, what's he doing over here? I think those are like little trays that you put the chocolate in or something. Take a sweet selfie at our chocolate wall. I think I will. That's a nice chocolate wall. All right, then they lead us out into their store where they're selling some chocolates. Who's ready for Valentine's Day? Not me, I don't give a crap. But this place also makes chocolate for Mars and M&M's. So some big names. Look at all these chocolates. Jeez, I gotta try one of these. Oh, they got the dark chocolate orange liqueur over there. I don't know, instead of chocolate, how about I get a chocolate delicious beverage? They got a mocha with their own chocolate, maybe? All right, I got the chocolate covered pretzel, y'all. Look at that. Throw it on the ground. I really threw it on the ground. The chocolate was slippery. Maybe I need to stop saying that. But I also went back inside and got a small hot chocolate, actually a double hot chocolate. Yeah. And it's delicious, and I will no longer be throwing anything on the ground. All right, we'll head back to the RV. They didn't have any magnets in the gift store, which kind of surprised me. I would have loved to have a chocolate factory magnet, or even just to see the chocolate factory working, but it is what it is. I always get a different experience than most people. I've just kind of grown to accept that. I gotta sit on the computer, look up freecampsites.net and check Harvest Host, and you know, I gotta find somewhere secure. If I want to enjoy more of Vegas, I gotta find a safe, secure spot for the RV, and then I can scoot around on Tater Tot this week. All right, well, good news and bad news. Good news is freecampsites.net is showing a new place to potentially park an RV for free 99 right in Vegas. Not on the Strip, but right in town. Watch Tater Tot, okay. The bad news is it's right in Vegas. There are some other free camping desert places that look like they're out there and they're on a long dirt road and it's like 45 minutes from Vegas. So I'm gonna go try this one first. The last time I drove an RV through downtown Las Vegas, there were some cuss words coming out of my mouth with what people were doing. It was insane. So I'll let you know when I get there and we'll check this place out, okay? All right. Oh, that plane just landed next to us. It's weird how close you really are to the airport there. Las Vegas Strip is off to our right also. Hey, the new Allegiant Stadium, where those Las Vegas Raiders have lost already more games than any other NFL team. Right there in that, God, that thing is beautiful though. I joke, but oh my gosh. Wait, we don't want Salt Lake City. I need to get back over. Are we clear? We're clear. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll bet it is gorgeous in that place. Man, that's a cool venue for Vegas. Very cool. Hey, guess what? I didn't have to drive on the main strip this time in the RV. We are several streets over from the main drag. I mean, obviously there's still horrible drivers that do crazy things and you have to be extra careful, but that wasn't bad at all. We are a half mile away. That sign was in the road. Whew. All right, this is us on the right, not on the left. That's Deja Vu's Adult Emporium. We're going to the Orleans. The Orleans, and it looks like they're doing some construction. But I believe I have a way in. I'm just worried about my tail swing on the RV making this curve. This is really going to be tight, actually. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got to deal with his shovel and that sign. Holy cow. This is where the RVs have to park, so we'll figure. Oh my gosh. Can we just get parked? Just get parked up here on the left, okay? Okay, that's the lot right there where you see all these semi-trucks. Well, your blinker's on, but you didn't turn. Glad I didn't go in front of you. Okay, I don't see any RVs. They're all semi-trucks. Let's go through here and check it out anyway. Wait, yeah, I see an RV. Yeah, so it's mostly semi-trucks there. But then over here, there's one little Ford Class C RV in front of us. And I agree with what they're doing. Instead of parking right next to the semi-trucks, because they're just going to block me in and run their engines and reefer units and generators all night long when I'm going to be fine with solar because the high is only 70 here. But I am perfectly fine. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Where's the sun? Sun's over there. South is also over there, which means satellite TV. I don't know how much TV I'll be watching, but I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to take up kind of 2 lanes here and be really close to this pole right here. That way, nobody can do what that semi in front of us just did and kind of block off my side doors. That's the only way into my RV. I don't have front doors like a Class C RV does. Let's take a look at this. All right. Nothing glamorous or anything. And I do hear a plane right there. So it's just going to be something to deal with. But overall, you know, this place is really quiet. And look at this. Well, you don't see this too often. They got garbage cans on all the little posts. That's pretty cool. So a little boondocking spot that appears to be approved. Thank you, freecampsites.net. And since this is an approved spot that's public, I'll go ahead and put the GPS coordinates right down here on the bottom of the screen in case you're in an RV and like to boondock like I do and just want a safe spot to park and then go enjoy Vegas. I'm gonna spend a few nights here, guys. So yeah, Vegas. And I got some new Vegas plans. So, whew, I'm excited now. Man, Opie, I'm so proud of you. This is a huge milestone for us, guys. Some people aren't going to understand, but Opie just set off the sensor. Look, the timer is on after he just got done pooping and covering it up. Maybe he just pooped really big and it was a huge weight. But this is the first time Tiny Opie has ever set off the sensor for our automatic litter box. You know what that means? You're getting big, buddy. You're so good. You know what? You get a treat. You get a treat for having a good poop. For having a good, healthy, weighty poop. There you go, buddy. Good boy, Tara. You want some? You want some too? You want to celebrate? Opie set off the sensor, so here you go. That's what we're celebrating. All right, my good kitties. Good kitties. Well, guys, as the litter box now begins to self-rotate, I'm happy about that. It's like a proud cat dad moment. Yeah, looking forward to some interesting stuff in Vegas. I skipped a lot when I was here last time, and something new has opened up. Actually, it opened up right at the start of the pandemic. Brand new here in Vegas. So I'm gonna have a blast. I'm gonna stay here indefinitely, as long as the weather's nice, okay? Thanks for joining me, guys. Oh, and please consider giving me a thumbs up on the video, or subscribing if you haven't already, or leaving me a crazy comment and tell me how much or what you think about tater tots. I'd love to hear what you have to say. From Tara and Opie and I, we will see you in the next one from Vegas. Bye, guys.